139.
That's the amount of measles cases in the United States right now. Nearly 100 more cases have been reported across the nation since just last week. That's according to the numbers just released by the CDC.
A majority of the cases are in New York City and a neighboring county. In total, 23 states, including Indiana and Kentucky, have reported measles cases since the beginning of 2019.
Now, here in Cincinnati, there are renewed efforts to prevent the disease.
9 on your sides, Mariel Carbone spoke with the health department today. And what are they saying, Mariel?
Well, overall, the health department says schools in Cincinnati are doing pretty well when it comes to vaccinations in general. But there are 2 schools here that are a little more susceptible when it comes to measles, simply because of their vaccination rates.
Vaccination is a very important thing, like learning.
For this father of 3, vaccinating his children is a priority.
We're following up always with vaccination.
So he worries when other families don't.
Some of them are not vaccinated and some already vaccinated. The non-vaccinated, if they have the disease, they can transfer it easily to the others.
According to the Cincinnati Health Department, local schools are doing pretty well.
The rate of vaccination in those schools where we know what the vaccination rate is all told over 90%.
But when it comes to measles, at least 2 schools are under the herd immunity threshold, meaning
there's enough folks in the population who are susceptible to disease. The disease can spread and grow in that community.
Those include Rising Stars Academy on Vine Street, where just under 85% of students are vaccinated for MMR. At Virtual High School, it's closer to 90%. The reason?
You know, it's not clear.
To protect students, Mussman says the first step is vaccination. He also says to keep your child away from other sick children.
I think some kind of advertising about the importance of vaccination.
While some parents hope to see more efforts to educate. And Mussman says that the health department is running PSAs to help educate, but he also says sometimes you have to be careful with the numbers. Sometimes students actually do have their vaccinations up to date. They just haven't turned in their paperwork to show the most recent vaccinations. So he says that's why it's really important to the families out there that if you're getting those vaccinations, to make sure to turn in your records to the school district. Reporting live in Over the Rhine, Mariel Carbone, 9 on your side.